Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with AWS CodePipeline using IAM roles step by step clearly. To authorize with AWS CodePipeline using IAM roles, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the IAM service from the Services menu. In the IAM dashboard, select Roles from the left-hand menu. Click on the Create Role button at the top of the page. Choose AWS Service as the trusted entity type. Select CodePipeline from the list of AWS services. Click on Next, Permissions to proceed. In the Permissions Policy search bar, type AWS CodePipeline Full Access to give CodePipeline full access. Select the policy and click Next, Tags. You can optionally add tags to your role, then click Next, Review. Give your role a meaningful name, such as CodePipeline Role. Click on the Create Role button to finalize the creation of your role. Now, navigate to the CodePipeline service from the Services menu. Select Create Pipeline to begin the setup process. In the pipeline settings, under Service Role, choose Existing Service Role. From the drop-down list, select the role you just created. Continue configuring your pipeline by specifying additional settings like source and build. Complete the setup by reviewing all your selections. Click Create Pipeline to finalize the process. After creating the pipeline, go to the Pipelines dashboard to confirm that your pipeline is listed. Your AWS CodePipeline is now authorized using the IAM role you set up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.